Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the potato ammo container and how to get it in Scrap Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to have a higher magazine capacity for your mountable spot guns. So first of all, you'll need to go through the Grow Lab 2 quest and complete it, and once you do, you'll be able to find these red beet seeds and plant them to get some red beets. Then once you do, go to the packaging station, bring the red beet package down to the hideout, use the delivery button, and now you're going to be able to unlock the potato ammo container right here by depositing the red beets. As you can see, potato ammo container unlocked. You'll be able to see it inside of the craft pod, and you'll require some metal block level 2, glass block, circuit boards, and glue to craft it. So just go ahead, gather all of the materials, and then craft the container. Once it's done crafting, just collect it, and now you'll just want to place it on your vehicle or anywhere else. And when you unlock the mountable spot gun, you'll just want to use the connect tool to connect it to the spot gun with connect tool, and it is going to take ammunition from this storage to the spot gun. And this is pretty much all how to get the potato ammo container in Scrap Mechanic. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.